Hello friends. Ever wondered about the temperature outside, but you're too cozy inside to check? Well, today we're going to be your wish-granting weather fairies, brewing up a Python-based weather app in your own home. Buckle up! Before we dive in, we need to know what we're assembling in our little coding kitchen. Firstly, we'll be using Python as the main ingredient, sprinkle in some API integration, fold in some tasty JSON parsing, and finally glaze it with GUI development. Okay fellow weather wizards, let's start with the base of our magic spell Python. This is one slick snake, easy to learn, but incredibly versatile. Up next is API integration, our magical dust that will help fetch weather data in the blink of an eye or the click of an enter key. And now the beating heart of our Python potion, JSON parsing. This is what makes our data look neat and understandable. But don't worry, we won't let it confuse us with its curly braces and square brackets. Lastly, to present our spell in a sleek manner, we add a cherry on top with GUI development. It makes everything look pretty and user-friendly. Kinda like a perfect Sunday, right? But folks, if you're actually enjoying this magical journey, don't forget to drop a like, share it with your fellow wizards and subscribe to our channel for more coding concoctions. So let's start wheeling our weather ones. First, fetching the weather data from an API. Get your one or a keyboard ready and follow along. Alright, next we organize our fetch data by parsing it with JSON. We'll pull the data apart and put it back together to make it easier on the eyes. And finally, we breathe life into our concoction with GUI. This is where our weather data comes to life. Now our weather app can finally see the sunlight, or maybe in this case the cloud cover. And voila! You just conjured your Python potion for weather checks right from the comfort of your own home. Hope it was a magical experience. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, keep conjuring.